Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick 10-minute whip and chat of this wonderful little house I'm really loving more and more. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So let me put my timer on. I'll see if I can make sure it's 10 minutes. And I did good last week. I wasn't that long, I believe. It's been a while. Sorry about that. And so I actually started a bit. I'm going to be working on this little symbol, which is a dot. And it's a really, really dark green, which I believe is part of the bushes that's in front of the house. I don't know why. Diamond dots, I love single placing on them. I don't know why. I find it really relaxing. A lot more easier to single place on them. Oh goodness, I hope that makes sense. And I just love Diamond Dotz canvases. Unfortunately, I always forget that I have a good number of them in my stash. It's just since they're so small, I put them away in my closet and I kind of don't see them again. So that's why I forget I have Diamond Dotz canvases already set to go. And I do know one of I believe their spring is starting to come out. I want to say spring line, but I'm not sure if that's the term. Spring paintings are coming out, so, because I've seen other diamond painters, purchase them. And the majority of them are being seen at Walmart. So, I need to get my budding gear and go buy some. Or actually go see what's in stock in my local Walmart, since I was lucky enough to get so many on clearance in one of my unboxings. I want to see if I can find some more for the spring season. And I know also, I believe they also had some Easter ones, I believe. Unless I saw what company it was, but it was a really cute Easter one with a bunny. Kind of liked it. So I'm switching over to this color, which is number 19. It's a little corner piece. It's here in the grass as well. I think that's why I take a while with Diamond Dotz, because I've been catching that. And I believe I might have said it in one of my previous whip and chats that I see with Diamond Dotz, there's a lot of confetti. Meaning that there's a lot of color changing. I guess to help with the effect of all the colors. And since these canvases are kind of small, the drill field itself, where you actually place the diamonds, are 36 by 27 centimeters. So it's kind of small. So it kind of makes sense why, you'd have to put a lot more colors to kind of cause the really beautiful color effect for image you're seeing. Which I don't mind. I accidentally put this one upside down. I don't mind. You can actually start seeing the wonderful form of the house. The white picket fence, all of the shrubbery and everything. I really love how it's coming out. I just really hope I can finish it kind of soon. Because I really want to work on that rose painting. Other Diamond Dotz painting I'd stated before. In one of my chats, I believe. And I have it here on the side, so I keep seeing the painting. I just keep seeing and just thinking, I'm almost there. I'll start on you soon. Just hold on a little longer. Which is making me think whether I should just keep working on this painting off camera. So our next whip and chat, I might, be a little further along. Because I did like the idea of only working on this anytime I'm doing 10-minute whip and chats. But it's taking a little long. And I feel kind of bad for the painting now. And I actually do already have a place on my wall here at home that I'm going to put this little image on. But it's just there collecting dust. So I'm thinking about it. So next time you might see that I might have moved along. Maybe onto the next section. Because the next section has a whole bunch of shrubs and everything. So it wouldn't be a lot of the house. But I'm not sure. I'm still thinking about it. I just really love, as I said, single placing on Diamond Dotz. So, how are y'all doing? I really hope y'all are having a wonderful day. The cold in my area has passed, so now it's going to start getting a little bit warm. Which I kind of loved wearing my scarves all the time, but yeah, I can't wear scarves when I'm getting close to 80 degrees, so yeah, I'm not doing that. But maybe next season, or next cold season. Or who knows, maybe we'll get another drastic change again. I don't know, the weather's really all over the place nowadays. That is such a weird topic, apologies for that. I was just thinking about it because it just surprised me that it was freezing and the next day it already started getting warm. And it's usually like that around here where I live, so I'm kind of not surprised that it did that. But I like it. Weather's weather. I have no problems with it. Which means I just have to make more scarves. You know, have a different variety for the next time it gets cold. And I do love making scarves. That's why I have a lot of them. I was going to say stash. A lot of them in my closet. So I pretty much finished that corner color, I believe. Yeah, I did. Okay. So, so what I was going to mention, apologies. Sorry about that. Car started racing and it started getting really, really loud. So that's why I made sure to mute that. Mostly so y'all don't hear that really, really loud sound. So, sorry. As I was going to say, I, as well as a lot of, you know, people, I'm in the Diamond Art Club VIP Facebook group. And I actually put out a message, you know, for us to kind of vote what the next kind of canvases we would like to see for the fall. And oh my goodness, I need to save money. There are so many beautiful canvases, and I know, oh my goodness, I need to save for the fall. And it's for the fall season. So, and fall is my favorite season next to winter. So that's why I know I need to save, because I know I'm going to be buying a whole bunch of canvases once the season starts. Oh my goodness, it was so pretty when we were able to vote. And out of courtesy, I believe, well, for me anyway, I'm not going to say specifically what kind of canvases they were, what artists they were. So that's why it's a reason they're up for vote. But all I'm saying is they were just gorgeous canvases. So my bank account is so going to hate me in the fall. Which reminds me, I still want to do my whole budget idea I had stated I wanted to start this year. Just so I have more of, make sure I have the appropriate funds when I know, ooh, I'm going to, you know, going to make a large painting order. So I know, you know, not just what I'm spending, but making sure I have the funds. One moment. Apologies, I'm recording mid-afternoon and everyone decides, oh, let's go race. So sorry about that. That's why anytime muting, it's either a plane or a car or really, really loud sound that's getting close to the microphone. So apologies for the complete, the repetitive muting of the sound. So as I was saying, I need to sit down and actually finally decide on a budget. So especially since I know I'm going to purchase a whole bunch of paintings in the fall. So I know I'm ready. So if I see a canvas, I know, woo, I can pick it up. And don't get me wrong, it's not that I'm short on paintings. It's just I honestly don't really have a lot of fall paintings. A lot of my paintings are just really random. And I do have a couple more winter paintings than fall, but fall, yeah, I don't really have, for example, Halloween canvases or anything like that. So I wouldn't mind purchasing a whole bunch of them when the season starts coming up. I know we're in the beginning of the year, but you know, it's better to plan ahead. That's how I see it. So, and I said it before in one of my previous chats, I'm super guilty of purchasing a lot of paintings from Diamond Art Club. I just really love their canvases, and I really love, you know, painting their paintings, so that's, I have no issues, you know, having a whole stash of them, because majority of my stash is Diamond Art Club. So I got to finish that really beautiful teal color, and apologies, now there's a plane coming up. And there we go. I apologize. I have to keep muting a lot in this recording, so sorry about that. I always forget, do not record closer by the end of the day, because everyone are just trying to get home or land their planes or several things like that, and I have to keep muting, so apologies for that. I always forget, don't record in the afternoon, Rosie. Don't do it. You're gonna mute a whole bunch of times. So since I have to keep muting, I'm gonna kind of go over 10 minutes a bit, because I feel kind of bad that I have to keep doing that, and I want to make sure y'all get 10 minutes ish. So yeah, stay tuned for a lot of unboxings from Diamond Art Club, because that's where a majority of my paintings are coming from. And even currently now, I have a couple, not a couple, I have a lot of painting. They're not, I think I might have said in one of my previous videos, not so much that they're new releases, they're just restocks, and I love when they restock paintings, especially older paintings. So I'm waiting for one of those to come in. That was tea, right? Because I saw the sun change to a dark color. Oh, yeah, I was right. Sorry. I thought I was doing all the same color here. I didn't notice that it changed there. And, yeah, so a lot of those paintings coming in that I'm waiting for an order are probably going to be here later today or tomorrow. Not too sure. I got to look at the shipping again. But, yeah, stay tuned for those unboxings, because, oh, my goodness. And a majority of them are rounds, because I've been purchasing more rounds, because a lot of my stash is already square, so make it even. I need more rounds. And I don't see a lot of round canvases that I really like the paintings, so whenever I do see one, I do pick it up. Because, you know, I want to have rounds in my stash. I really do love rounds. Looking at you, Diamond Dotz. So, yes, that, as I said, it's going to be, and I am planning to put a lot more unboxing videos, because I actually do have fun doing those videos, and mostly I love seeing what the canvases look like. So, and mostly it's because I can have a chance to show them and not just have them in my stash. You know, be able to show them off, and who knows, it might be a canvas you might be interested in, or you've just been curious about what it looks like. And not just with Diamond Art Club, but pretty much any that I have in my stash from other companies. Diamond Dotz included, because I still have some that I haven't shown you all. So stay tuned for that. I just have to sit down and organize, okay, what kind of painting I want to show today. I actually like doing that, so it's not just one company, it's several others that I'm able to pick up. I really like that. And I hope y'all are enjoying it too. And, oh my goodness, I just noticed tea is a lot. It's the house. And, oh, we already hit 13 minutes, so I'm actually going to stop here. I'm going to keep working on this house, because I really want to complete the whole area. I'm going to try to just complete this section. As I said, I'm going to try to keep going ahead, just so we can get more, you know, completion of this painting, and we all can finally start seeing a different Diamond Dotz painting. So stay tuned for that for the next WIP and Chat. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you could do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Diamond Dotz and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.